In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to master a straddle flag one-arm handstand. Watch until the end to get every drill you need to nail this awesome skill. The standing warm-up drill is like this. You're reaching up and over, going as deep as you can with your other arm straight by your side. And you want to try to do this for like 5 to 10 reps. And here's me going on the other side. I could go probably a little deeper. Oh, and you want to twist your chest up towards the ceiling too. Okay, you absolutely have to stretch your middle split. It's basically non-negotiable if you want to get this skill. It is really, really important. I recommend either flat on the floor or using yoga blocks to have an oversplit. Again, this one is similar to the standing stretch drill. It's just trying to stretch out your sides. It's good to do this in a straddle and in a split because it mimics more closely what you're going to be doing in your straddle flag. Try to go as deep as you can and twist your chest up to the ceiling as well. Don't want to go chest down, you want to go chest up. And you can use your elbow. You see how I use my elbow against my leg here to lock in a little bit and then really reach up towards the ceiling or even towards to get your arm parallel to the floor here. Yeah, reach up there, twisting up there. You want to do this 10 times both sides as well. And hang out there too. Try to exhale it to go deeper. This drill sucks, but you just have to do it because it makes everything so much easier and it makes your lines and your split look so much better. So it's basically this is like a rhythmic or gymnastics drill. You're just kicking your leg. I do it slower here, this is probably better form. And yeah, I hate this drill. Actually, I don't do it that often. I need to do it more. You can see this side's not as good as my other side, so I'm trying to take my time with it and go a little bit slower. It's so important, so I highly recommend. You're going to get so many bonus gains if you do this, so I highly recommend you work on it. Okay, so this is where we actually start to do some handstands. Gonna have set up with some kind of block or like CrossFit box, anything. I'm using handstand canes here. Anything works to get a point for you to target and try to touch with your foot, and go both sides back and forth. Keep your arms locked. I'm setting up against the wall here. This is a good way to learn the balance and keep your body in the right line so you're not twisting and spinning all over the place. Basically, you just need to find the right height, see where you're at, and then try to incrementally go lower and lower. Here, I've dropped the height to just my handstand blocks. It's a little bit lower, closer to the floor. And just keep your arms straight, try to bend from your sides, and 10 reps both sides, back and forth, back and forth. I'm keeping my feet on the wall to slide back and forth, and I'm making sure that the bend is mostly coming from the side and I'm not cheating with my shoulder moving crazy or bending my elbow. You might have to bend your elbow on your opposite arm, but not on the flag arm that you go to. That's okay. You can see I do that here. So now I'm off the wall. Once you've mastered the wall, you can do 3 sets of 10 easy. Go off, take it off the wall and do this freestanding. So you're going to want to do the exact same thing, it's the exact same movement, except you're just freestanding here. And the goal is to do 10 reps, 3 sets, 10 reps. And it should feel easy. It shouldn't feel too hard. This is one of the core flagging skills that you're going to want to develop. You're going to want to spend most of your time working on these, getting stronger, building some endurance. This drill is mimicking the one-arm press. It's going to come later. It's a little bit harder. You're going to want to find like a chair leg or a table leg. Here I just use the windowsill because that's what I have. And you're going to want to press into it slowly and stay flat. You don't want to unflag too much in this drill. You want to keep your foot very, very close to the floor and tap it 10 times. Do this 3 sets of 10. This is the next drill that comes after. Once you've mastered freestanding flags, 3 sets of 10, you're going to want to do this drill. And it might be hard to find your balance here. It might take a little bit of practice. It's still a 2-arm handstand because your other arm is helping you balance here. And you want to touch the floor and pull off. Touch the floor, pull off. Touch the floor, pull off. I flex my foot here to get a little bit deeper. You can try that. This is a different view from the side. You're going to have your other arm helping you. Okay, this is the puppy press. And this is a really good drill to build strength and get your technique. You can see I keep my top leg bent, and then right as I go, I straighten it. And then I'm going to do a slow negative on the other side. So I have my top leg bent and then straighten it to give a little bit of push up into a handstand. And I'm really bending from the side. This really shouldn't feel too hard. So this is another version of the puppy press with straight legs. It's slightly more difficult for some people. You can see I kick through, almost like kicking through a front split to a middle split. And then when I finally reach my middle split, I push hard into the ground and get lift off here. I'm really making sure that I have big side bends, really crunching into my sides. The more you can side bend here, the easier it's going to be. This is the next step, next progression. You're doing basically the exact same thing, but you're starting just with one hand. It's kind of like a cartwheel to handstand almost. So same thing, same setup. You start with your top leg kicking up, bend and push. And then you don't have to balance the one arm. You're just going back and forth to two arms. So you're going to go start one arm, bend, kick, push, two arms, and back and forth. So again, all 3 sets, 10 reps. This is a slightly harder progression now. So you're going to push up and stay flagged here. This is the key. You can see, keep your foot on the ground. See my bottom leg? My foot's on the ground. It feels heavy, like I'm balancing it, but I have that extra little bit of help with my foot on the ground. So here I unflag too much. You don't want to do that. You stay flagged just like that, foot on the ground, your toe on the ground. Hold, 10 seconds, just like that. And then always finish 2-arm handstand press back up. All right, so here I'm gonna actually press up now and stay flagged, and you're balancing. Here's the actual press now. So you're gonna press and stay flagged, immediately stay flagged. This is a much easier to shape to balance than a regular straddle. It requires more flexibility, but less strength. This is probably gonna be a faster path to one-arm handstand. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More tutorials coming soon. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll answer anything you guys got. And yeah, thanks for watching.